Grandstream's GXP2100 high-end IP phones are designed for the intensive call volume user who needs access to advanced telephony features, line support, and call control. With Bluetooth support and a sleek design and a color screen LCD as well, these phones come fully loaded. The GXP2100 series comes with a suite of advanced features to deliver superior efficiency and productivity. In this video, we will cover some of the core functionalities of the phone. Let's go over some of the physical features of the GXP2100 series. Each device comes with the following: an RJ9 handset port, an RJ9 headset port, a power adapter and power slot, dual gigabit network ports with integrated PoE. On the front side of the GXP2100 series, you will find the following control keys: the number pad, volume control, speakerphone, call button, transfer, conference, mute, headset, menu controls, contacts, voicemail, and hold. You will also find the line keys, the programmable soft keys / XML keys, and the BLF speed dial keys. For the GXP2170 and GXP2135 series, these BLF and speed dial keys are digital. Keep in mind, the locations of these keys may be slightly different depending on the model. The GXP2100 screen has a vibrant and intuitive design. Lines are presented conveniently on the left side of the screen and on the right side, depending on the model. Your dynamic soft key options are presented at the bottom of the screen. Notification icons are located at the top right of the screen. You can also find other information such as time and date. There are 3 ways of making a call with the GXP2100 series: either through your handset, the built-in speakerphone, or a linked headset. In order to activate your speakerphone, press the speakerphone key located on your device. Likewise, to activate your headset, press the headset key. Making a call on the GXP2100 series is fast and easy. First, take your handset or headset off hook, or you can press the speaker button. Or you can also select an available line key. You will hear a dial tone, and the corresponding line's LED will be green. You may select an alternate line key to use another SIP account and to make the call from that SIP account. Next, just enter the desired phone number or select a contact from your phone book. Press either the send button or the dial soft key. The GXP2100 series comes with the option to redial as well. First, take the phone off hook or press the headset or speakerphone key. Press the green send button when you hear the dial tone, or press the redial soft key. Keep in mind, the phone will redial using the same SIP account as was used for the last call. The GXP2100 series comes equipped with a few convenient ways to answer a call. For a single incoming call, you may answer it by taking your handset or headset off hook, or by pressing the corresponding line button you'd like to answer the call on. While on a call and there is another incoming call, you will hear the call waiting tone. The next available line will begin flashing red. Answer the new incoming call by pressing its corresponding line. The current call will be put on hold as you switch to the new one. You may toggle between the calls using their corresponding line buttons. You may end a call by pressing the end call soft key, or simply by hanging up the phone. The GXP2100 series is also capable of putting calls on and off hold. You can put a call on hold by pressing the hold button located here. You can then resume your call by pressing the corresponding blinking line key. Transferring with the GXP2100 series is easy. When you are currently in a call, you may need to transfer it to another party. There are 3 ways to transfer a call. You can either use a blind transfer, attended transfer, or an auto-attended transfer. To blind transfer, first press the transfer button. Your call will be put on hold. Dial the desired number or extension you'd like to transfer the call to. Press the call button to complete the transfer of the active call. After the call is transferred, your phone will display an idle screen. To do an intended transfer, press an idle line key to make a new call. The current active line will then be placed on hold. Dial out to the new number you wish to transfer to. Once the call is established, press the transfer key, followed by the line button of the original call that is currently on hold. After the call is transferred, your phone will then display its idle screen. To do an auto-attended transfer, first, ensure you have this feature enabled through the web GUI of your device. Press your transfer key and dial the desired number or extension you would like to transfer the call to. Press the call button to place the call to the desired second number. After dialing out the number for the second call, a split soft key will be presented. If the second call is not established yet, pressing split will hang up the second call. If the second call is established, pressing split will resume the second call and keep the first call on hold. The audio conference feature allows for easy and quick audio meetings over your GXP2100 series phone. When you're in a call, you can press the conference button to bring up the conference dialing screen. Dial the number or extension you'd like to connect to and press the send key. When the call is established to the third party, press the conference call soft key to initiate the conference. Press the cancel soft key in the conference dialing screen to close the conference and continue conversation with the original party. You can also press the hold button to put all members of the conference on hold. Press the return to the conference soft key to resume the conference call. Or you can select the corresponding blinking line key to speak with an individual in the conference. The conference will be terminated for all three parties if the conference initiator hangs up or presses the end call soft key. A blinking red voicemail indicator shows that there is a message waiting for you. Press the voicemail button to retrieve your message. An IVR will prompt the user through the message retrieval. Press a specific line to retrieve messages for that specific account. Note that each account requires a voicemail portal number to be configured in the voicemail user ID field. That finishes our overview of the GXP2100 IP phones. For more, visit us at www.grandstream.com.